discuss our solution problem. So we have f of x plus 3. Before we discuss, my name is Ramil Rosel.
My name is Maria Anna.
And my name is David.
So now we will get the range of f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Our domain is negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. Our range is negative 3, negative 1, 1, 3, 5. Solution. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3. F negative 3 is equal to 2 times negative 3 plus 3 is equal to negative 6 plus 3 equals negative 3. F negative 2 is equal to 2 times negative 2 plus 3 is equal to negative 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 1. F negative 1 is equal to 2 times negative 1 plus 3 is equal to negative 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. F0 is equal to 2 times 0 plus 3 is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. F1 is equal to 2 times 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5.
The inverse function of f of x equals to 2x plus 3. So first, we have f of x equals to 2x plus 3. Step 1, we need change the f of x to y. So we have y equals to 2x plus 3. Step 2, we need interchange to x to y to x. So we have x equal to 2y plus 3. Step 3, solve for y. X, so we have x equals to 2y plus x equals to negative 3 equals to 2y divided by both sides equals to y equals to x negative 3 over 2. Step 4, we need change the f of negative I f, we need change the y to f of negative 1 of x. So we have f of negative 1 of x equals to x negative 3 over 2.
Now let's move to inverse function. Now the solution is f raised to negative 1 of x equals x minus 3 over 2. F raised to negative 1 of negative 3 equals negative 3 minus 3 over 2 equals negative 6 over 2 is equal to negative 3. F of raised to negative 1 uh, of negative 1 equals negative 1 minus 3 over 2 is equal to negative 4 over 2 is equal to negative 2. F raised to negative 1 of 1 equals 1 minus 3 over 2 is equal to negative 2 over 2 is equal to negative 1. F is F is raised to negative 1 eh, of 3 is equal to 3 minus 3 over 2 is equal to 0 over 2 is equal to 0. F of F of F raised to negative 1 of 5 is equal to 5 minus 3 over 2 is equal to 2 over 2 equals 1.
So now we will get a graph of f of x is equals to 2x plus 3. Then we have the table of value. The x is negative 3 and the y is negative 3. So we will put the point in here. The x is negative 2 and the y is negative 1, and we will put the point in here. And next is the x is negative 1 and the y is positive 1, so we will put that in here. The next is x is equals to 0 and the y is equals to 3, so we will put the point in here. And next is the y is positive 1 and the x is positive 1 and the y is positive 5, so we'll put the point in here. And next we will graph the f of negative f raised to negative 1 of x is equals to x plus 3 over 2. And the table value is the x is negative 3 and the y is negative 3. We will put that in here, the same as the point earlier. And we will get the x is negative 1 and the y is negative 2. So we will put that in here. The next is negative positive 1. The x is positive 1 and the y is negative 1. We will put that in here. The next is the x is positive 3 and the y is 0. We will put the point in here. The next is x is equals to 5 and the y is equals to 1. We will put the point in here and we will make the graph meet